Hi guys, today we're going to be solving AP-1 scores 100. The problem states, given an array of scores, return true if there are scores of 100 next to each other in the array. The array length will be at least 2. So, essentially, what this problem is asking us to do is to check to see if there are two values of 100 that are right next to each other. If there are two values of 100 that are right next to each other, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Obviously, there's a lot of ways to solve this, but how I'm going to be solving it is by keeping track of one location at a time and checking, or I'm going to be checking two locations at a time actually. We're going to be checking to see if location A and location B, which is going to be the location or the number at the index value right after location A, if those two are both 100, then we're going to return true. Otherwise, we're going to return false. So, to keep track of location A, let's have int A equals scores0. So we're going to start at the beginning of the array. Then we're going to iterate through the entire array using a for loop. Then what we want to do is to check if A equals 100 and scores I equals 100. Those are both true. We automatically return true. Otherwise, we want to keep going throughout the entire array and update our location A to scores I. If you guys notice, I started at int I equals 1 because our A value is at index 0. We want to compare two numbers that are right next to each other, and 1 is right after 0, so that's how we started it. And we're going to iterate through the entire array. If the entire for loop goes through and we don't return true, that means there are no two values of 100 that are next to each other in the array. So we would return false. See how we did? Oh, my bad. Right here, it has to be double equals. And there we go. Good job.